Stourbridge Line Excursion Railroad has been taking folks along the Lackawaxen River for miles for many years now, from Honesdale to Hawley and even to Lackawaxen. But now there's a new game in town that lets you get in the driver's seat of a whole new perspective, enjoying the beautiful Pocono Mountains from a new point of view. It's Soarin Eagle Rail Bike Tours, and they're all new this summer here in the Poconos. Let's take a ride. What do you think, brother? Yeah.
Having been someone who's enjoyed the Pocono Mountains since I was a kid, it's occurred to me and my wife that something that seemed to just be missing was something just like this. It's different, it's fun, it's family fun, and it's outdoors, and even amidst all of the craziness of this pandemic, it's something that we can enjoy safely.
So these rail tours will run all season long up until Halloween, when they have something pretty special planned to spook you while you're out here on the railroad in the dead of night.
Amazing scenery, amazing views of the Lackawaxen River. This is my first rail bike ride ever. A little bit of effort here and there, but for the most part, once you're rolling, it's fairly easy to keep the bike moving.
What it is a bike that is a little bit sort of reclined with pedals out in front of you, and then they come in 2-seaters or 4-seaters. And our guys will load you up on the tracks. They will escort you through for about a 3-mile leisurely bike journey down the tracks along the beautiful Lackawaxen River, which is absolutely gorgeous. There are tons of eagle nests along the way. There's so many sights and sounds, and just a nice leisurely time down the tracks.
Just look at that breathtaking view. You really get a sense of how preserved and beautiful and natural this river corridor has been for generations. You know, this used to be a major part of the D&H Canal, bringing coal from Honesdale that came over the mountain on the Gravity Railroad to market in New York City. And so by pedaling through the Stourbridge Line railroad tracks, you're almost pedaling through time.
We are so excited to be getting started here. Please check us out on our website. That's www.soarin, S-O-A-R-I-N, eagle.com. So www.soarineagle.com, and then check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. We'll be posting our pictures of our adventures, and we hope to see you on the rails.
So after about an hour and a half, 2-hour ride, you are back in Hawley, where you can come across the railroad bridge and really enjoy the trip that you had along the Lackawaxen River, seeing eagles and deer and all kinds of beautiful landscapes throughout what are some of the most picturesque spots in the Pocono Mountains. So for Pocono Television Network, I'm Jim Hamill. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the Pocono Tourism YouTube channel and click the bell button below to be the first to watch new videos. You can also click the link on the screen to watch more episodes of Pocono Mountains magazine.